Hello and welcome to another video by QuickTradeNinja. Today we're going to review how to upgrade to a new version of QuickTradeNinja. So if you already have QuickTradeNinja installed, you're going to want to come in here to upgrade. First you would come to the QuickTradeNinja.com website, go to support, click on download latest version, and then choose the latest version that you want to install. Once you have that downloaded, you can come to log into NinjaTrader. You want to go to Tools and go first. You want to remove the NinjaScript assembly. So this will remove the old version. So you click on Remove NinjaScript assembly. You'll find QuickTradeNinja here, your previous version. Click Remove. It'll ask you to confirm and give it just a few seconds. And this will remove QuickTradeNinja from your from NinjaTrader. Now it says here you need to shut down and restart the application for it to be fully removed. Go ahead and do that. Just for this video's sake, I won't do that, but you would want to shut down, restart NinjaTrader, and then once you log back in, come back into Tools, and then go back to Import, NinjaScript add-on, and here you want to select the new version that you just downloaded, and it will ask for confirmation that you want to install it, and we'll ask you for one more confirmation. At which point it will tell you need to shut down and restart NinjaTrader for the new version to take effect. And that is how you would upgrade from a previous release of QuickTradeNinja to a new one. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.